What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to go over Cardano today. So looking at Cardano right now, we are at $1.54. That's actually pretty good compared to what we're hovering around like the previous times. Let's go over here to our long-term chart. When we look at the long-term chart, we can see even when we did have this huge growth, when we went all the way from 34 cents all the way up here to about $1.40, we were kind of stuck around there for like a whole month and 2 months. Like all of March, all of April, we were stuck right there, and then boom, we just broke out of it in May. So possibly what I'm thinking with Cardano right now, we may just kind of be stagnant around 154, like 150 to about $2 for the next month or maybe 2 months, like how it was back here. We may just be stagnant for like 2 months, like how we did before, right before we jump again. So this is just a prediction. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but yeah, this is just a prediction of what could happen with Cardano here, because we did have that whole 2 months worth of just going up and down, just going back and forth for Cardano for a whole 2 months. And then looking over here at our short chart right here, the short-term chart, we can see we are trading inside of a trend line right now. So if we go all the way out of here, maybe to like this chart right here, yeah, you can see that this trend line just now started with this dip here. We went all the way down there. That was a really low point in Cardano, but we went all the way back down there, and then we just jumped up huge. So honestly, Cardano it's not, I wouldn't say it's as volatile as like Dogecoin or Shiba and all that type of stuff. Cardano is actually really stable because it bounced right back up, and it really has some steady growth, like continuing to go up, and it's actually on an uptrend here. So Cardano is expected to go right back up to $2. I'm definitely expecting it to do that, but with all this crypto crash and everything, it could be a little while before that happens. But as you can see, the market cap here is we're just losing so much market cap here. Let's go over here and see if we have a clean update here. But yeah, 705 billion inside of Dogecoin, or not Dogecoin, but Bitcoin for market cap. And then we look over here with Cardano, we are number 5 in Cardano, 50 billion inside Cardano. So that's actually pretty good, like compared to where we were before in Cardano. So I definitely think out of all the cryptos, I think Cardano got hit the less with all this, the dropping, the FUD, all the fear, uncertainty, the doubt. Cardano got hit with the less because it had the greatest, the best fundamentals, in my opinion. Honestly, I think Cardano should be accepted by Tesla. There was actually something that was saying that Cardano should be accepted by Tesla on the Cardano Twitter right here. They said Cardano x Tesla, obvious match. I do think it should be, because look, you got to see this: founded by engineers, sustainability, unique solutions, scalability, and they have the exact same thing over here with Tesla. So they're for the exact same things, they're all for clean energy, all that, sustainability, all that. So Cardano could actually be accepted by Tesla in the future, which would actually be pretty good for crypto in the long term. But I think right now Elon Musk is more focused on Dogecoin and all these Dogecoin memes. So that is where Elon Musk's focus really is. So Cardano being accepted by Tesla now, I'm not sure that they would do that now, but possibly if we add Bitcoin back to the roster, we add Dogecoin as a payment for Tesla, and then so on. That would probably be the only way, because everything would have to be added. Really, you need to add Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Cardano and Ethereum if you want to do that for Tesla. And the same thing for like Amazon. If Cardano was accepted on Amazon, same thing for like around Walmart, everywhere. That would be pretty cool to have that whole thing right there going on. But yeah, Cardano is going up on this trend line right here. But remember, this trend line could be broken at any time if we do not pass this line. If we do not continue to rise and we just keep getting more sell orders, like more sell orders over our buying orders, then we'll just end up dropping, because it has been kind of stagnant here for a little bit, and we did suffer a huge dip. So right now we are just like, we're in the red territory, so anything could happen right now, honestly. But hopefully we do continue to stay inside this trend line, because this is a nice area to stay in. We are up and down, like fluctuating huge here, but eventually $2 is on the horizon here. So that is what we can see in the future here. And also this article here, I was reading this article, and I definitely agree with some things they're saying. They're saying wait until after the crypto meltdown to pounce on Cardano. So they're saying as the crypto sell off continues, starting to have an impact on Cardano. Yeah, we see that a lot. $1.55, like that is really low right there. And they says that we see that has a huge impact on Cardano. At first, the sell-off was largely a story of Bitcoin dropping, while other cryptos like Ethereum and this one continued to make new highs. So we all know it was behind this, and they're saying the entire crypto market just sold off, which we all know it was behind it. It was the whole Bitcoin. It's just, FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Once one thing goes off, everything starts going off, and that one thing was Elon Musk not accepting, Bitcoin anymore. And that just kind of offset everything. And then everything just went off from there. But I do think Cardano is going to be really good in the long term though. But let's see here. They're saying Cardano, why it's too early to buy the dip. As prices move in the wrong direction, those who have been sitting on the sidelines may be seeing this a buy the dip opportunity, yet rushing in too soon may not be the best move. Cardano's popularity may be rising. This helped it continue to gain, even as the benchmark crypto Bitcoin started heading south from its all-time high. So now at first, just swapping Bitcoin positions for positions in ADA, USD, ETH, USD, and even Dogecoin crypto. I don't even know what this is, and newbies alike are retreating to, cash, getting more of their portfolio out of this asset class. Still in its early stages, it's hard to figure out where this correction will bottom out. That's definitely true that it kind of looks like we haven't. I do think we might have bottomed out all the way down here. That was a huge dip. But if we do go back down, it would probably be back to where we bottomed out previously, which is about $1 to $1.10. That would be our new support line if we did start the bottom out. But I don't see Cardano going below $1. I don't see that happening. Cardano has so much good stuff going for it right now that I just don't see it happening. And I made a video about Cardano previously about the last, trend line that we had here. And if we go all the way, probably have to go all the way back here to a larger chart, and this is where we were stagnant. We were just stagnant this whole time there. So Cardano might do something else where it stays stagnant, maybe around 150, $2, maybe even testing the previous lows all the way down to $1. But in the long term, I think Cardano is still gonna start testing how it did these new highs. Is gonna do that again, and Cardano is one of those cryptos that I'll just sit there stagnant for a while. Like it did that forever between March and April, and it did the same thing way back here between January and all of January leading into February, and then February was huge growth for Cardano. And you gotta just look at how Cardano was doing the same thing way back here for a whole month, or for the whole month of December. It was kind of trading sideways. So Cardano does this a lot. It'll just trade sideways for a full month and then not have growth until the end of the month, and then it'll just go crazy leading into the next month, and then it'll kind of stay stagnant leading into the next month. And that's kind of how we've been seeing Cardano going. So they're screaming buy if it falls back to $1. Perhaps the risk Cardano falls back to 35 cents or lower is overblown. I definitely agree. I don't think it'll fall below $1. Yes, it traded for far below this price level just 6 months ago, but as more became aware of its potential, it's debatable whether a major meltdown in crypto prices would send it completely back down to these levels. I don't believe Cardano would ever go below $1. Like, that's not possible at this point. At this point, we just have so much growth here in Cardano that it's just inevitable. It's going to happen. Cardano is going to explode in price. But we have Cardano Africa. We have so much going on with Cardano. So in Cardano, you can do NFTs. You can do so much stuff with Cardano. But let's go over here and look at this now. Cardano's ERC20 converter is coming soon to testnet. So on May 17th, Cardano announced that their new ERC20 converter would allow Ethereum tokens to run on their proof of stake blockchain. So that is crazy. Since its launch in 2017, Cardano has provided much faster transactions at lower fees than Ethereum, which is another reason why it should be added on Tesla. That's just one reason right there. So many different reasons though. So yeah, most recently, Cardano has been praised for its use of proof of stake, which some believe can solve environmental worries associated with proof of work. ERC20, Cardano will soon be able to support ERC20 token migration to its platform with the impending of Alonzo hard fork and Plutus smart contracts. Once this is live, users of supported Ethereum tokens will be able to move them from Ethereum network to Cardano's. Smart contracts have grown in popularity since Ethereum inception due to their utility in business transactions. ERC20 tokens address many needs, hence they have been widely adopted by wallets and exchanges. And yeah, ERC20 tokens are definitely needed. Like, they're going crazy right now. I believe Shiba Inu is also an ERC20. Let's see. Is Shiba Inu ERC20? I really do believe it is. Fungible tokens like Shiba Inu are ERC20. Yeah, so they are ERC20 tokens. And yeah, this is pretty cool because think of something like Shiba Inu, but a side thing of Cardano, like someone making like a Doge meme but on Cardano. So if someone did that on Cardano, that would definitely help Cardano's price go crazy. Like, look at Ethereum's price and then look at everything that's under Ethereum, like stuff like Shiba Inu under Ethereum. But Ethereum's price is huge right now, 285 billion market cap, 2400. It was all the way up to 4K, but with this crash, everything has dropped. Even Cardano, everything just went down lower. And this may not be the bottom with cryptos. Honestly, they're screaming $1 for Cardano if it goes that low. I don't know if it'll go that low, but it possibly could, like I said, because we did already bottom out like really low before, so we could bottom out even lower. So this is just a possibility. It's just a possibility out of 1,000 possibilities that could happen here. Bunch of stuff could happen that could just make things crazy. But they're saying wait for the dust to settle. They're saying a few months back crypto seemed indestructible, which really it did. Everyone was in it, everyone was all in on it, and now it's seeming really fragile right now, like really fragile. So yeah, that's definitely crazy stuff going on here inside of the crypto world. And Cardano is continuing to change the standards of crypto every single day. So Cardano is going to be one of those top cryptos that when we look at, it may not be all the way up, in price like Bitcoin, but it's worth a lot for what it is, and it has a lot of use for what it is. It's not just outrageously priced for no reason. Like, I think Bitcoin, it only costs that much because, the scarcity of Bitcoin right now, but Cardano will soon get like that. And yeah, there's going to be some scarcity of Cardano. And once Cardano hits the max supply of 45 billion, that's going to be really big for Cardano. And like I said, it is going to take a while for that to happen. So definitely don't expect it to happen anytime soon. That would happen in the future, but not right now. Cardano will definitely be worth a lot in the future though. So imagine getting right now a hold of like 1,000 Cardano, get a hold of like 1,000 Cardano, and then it goes all the way up to like 10K right there, and then you got 100K. Just thinking about it like that, that would be really cool right there. A lot of money made off of Cardano that a lot of people could do. So it's just a little insight on how I see Cardano right now. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. But yeah, I do believe Cardano is the best altcoin with huge upside. So they're saying as an Ethereum, Ethereum alternative because it's cheaper than Ethereum. Definitely Cardano. I'm really big on Doge. But yeah, Cardano is definitely really big right now and it has really good fundamentals. So I would definitely say Cardano is a buy, but they are saying it's a buy at $1. I would say it's good to get in now if you're really, really long. And if you're just someone that just wants more and more shares, or not shares, but Cardano, you want more and more out of, then I would say, yeah, you could wait to $1 and then buy in. But who's to say that it would even hit $1 right now? Because things could turn around in crypto. Like, we see it all the time in crypto. Things just turn around within the blink of an eye. And maybe it doesn't, but we don't know. So I would say buy a little bit now and then, a little bit later. And then, kind of doing it like that a little bit at a time. But yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. But yeah, Cardano is definitely going to go up over time in a long time. I think all the other cryptos will too. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.